Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, after a cloudy weekend, a little rainy here and there, the weather actually gradually improved a little bit today. We saw intervals of sunshine, certainly warmer temperatures, and that trend is going to continue as the week wears on. We have some pretty warm temperatures in the 10-day forecast for you, so at least the weather behaving. Certainly good news there. So let's take a look at the big picture across the lower 48, and we're looking at the water vapor imagery. And we have two fairly significant areas of high pressure, one out in the Gulf of Mexico, one in the Pacific, and the two are going to be joining up with time and developing a fairly large upper level ridge that's going to expand, and that's going to produce much warmer temperatures toward the mid and latter part of this week, where we're going to see readings in the mid to upper 80s. In fact, upper 80s this time of year are close to record highs. So we got some pretty toasty weather ahead, and more than likely air conditioner weather ahead, but it'll still be nice to be outdoors, which a lot of us have been doing of late. It is still winter up across portions of the Midwest where snow is flying. That little bit of a frontal trough and disturbance, series of disturbances, pretty much bypassing most of Acadiana today. So it was a relatively dry day, and it's going to only get drier with time. Mild conditions tonight. Clouds build in, some fog as well, although we should have enough of a breeze to keep the fog somewhat at bay, but we're close to that level or margin where we could see some thick spots in spots, not everywhere. Warm one tomorrow afternoon, mostly cloudy skies, some breaks in the clouds, so we're going to get into the 80s, well into the 80s, probably about 83 degrees for tomorrow, and we do it all over again tomorrow night, mild with temperatures hugging near 70 degrees. That's where we're going to be tonight, and then as we head into Tuesday, we're going to start to see a little bit more in the way of afternoon sunshine, and that trend will continue, and we'll probably go to more and more sunshine for Wednesday and Thursday, and maybe even Friday as well. In fact, here's the big picture. We look at the European model through Wednesday. We see a little bit more of the state, less of the white stuff, so that means more sun, at least in the afternoon. Morning clouds, though, giving way to afternoon sun. And then as we head toward the end of the week, the winds pick up out of the southwest. I think we get even warmer, and then here comes a front which may generate a few showers Saturday and cool us off a little bit for Sunday. But following that, the weekend's not looking too bad. Following that, though, we will see a little bit of a wet period perhaps coming in a week or so from tomorrow down the road. But in the near term, fog could be an issue, although the model not going for really thick stuff, but we could have patchy fog in spots, so not hitting on that too hard at this point. Temperature-wise, tonight, upper 60s to near 70 for the low, and tomorrow will be well into the low to mid 80s. We'll go 83 the high tomorrow, so that's somewhere between the low to mid 80s. And as we head down the line and take a look at the 10-day forecast, you'll notice your temperatures getting well into the upper 80s. Thursday, Friday, mid to upper 80s, and then a little bit cooler as we head into the weekend. Next week, a mixed bag, but the bottom line, above normal temperatures in the forecast, Kendria, for the foreseeable future.
A little sign that we're getting closer to the summer.
Yeah, it's knocking at the door, and we just got into spring, so it's a little early right now.
All right, thank you, Rob.